My name is Divya Pratap Singh Chauhan and I am here to present a presentation on pricing strategy. So pricing strategy refers to all of the various methods that small businesses use when setting prices for their goods or services. It is an encompassing term that can account for things like first marketing conditions, second action that competitors take, third account segment, fourth trade margins, fifth input cost, sixth consumer ability to pay, seventh production and distribution cost, eighth variable cost. Pricing strategy are useful for numerous reasons. Those reasons can vary from company to company. Choose the right price of a product which will allow you to maximize profit margin if that's what you want to do. Contrary people to popular belief, pricing strategy are not always about profit margin. For instance, you may opt to set the cost of a good or services at low price to maintain your hold on market share and prevent competitors from encroaching on your territory. Thank you.
My name is Saurabh Verma and my topic is pricing strategy to attract customer to your business. Price skimming. Skimming involves setting high prices when a product is introduced and then gradually lowering the price as more competitors enter the market. This type of pricing is ideal for business that are entering emerging markets. Second is market penetration pricing. Pricing for market penetration is essential, the opposite of pricing skimming. Instead of starting high quality and slowly lowering prices, you take over a market by undercutting your competitors. Once you develop a reliable customer base, you raise prices. And third is premier pricing. Premier pricing is for business that create high quality product and market them to high income individuals. The key with this pricing strategy is developing a product that is high quality and that customer will consider to be a high value. Economic pricing. An economic pricing strategy involves targeting customers looking to save as much money as possible on whatever good or service they are purchasing. Big box stores like Walmart and are prime example of economic pricing models. Fifth one is bundle pricing. When companies pair several products together and sell them for less money than each would be individually, it's known as bundle pricing. Bundle pricing is a good way to move a lot of inventory quickly. Successful bundle pricing strategy involve profits on low value items outweighing losses on high value items including in a bundle. Thank you.